In this video, we're talking about B3 token, legit or scam, base B3. So before investing on this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is an economy through Leap and Holden token, as you can see here. If I go to about this token from here, this is all about this token. This is a Web3, as you can see here, friends, with Web3 layer architectures, gaming open ecosystem. So this platform based on Web3 gaming, top 10 holders is 61%, others is 38%. This token listed on Coinbase Exchange, Binance Alpha, Bybit, Coins, and BingX and Kraken. Total supply 100 billion of B3 token. Max supply also 100 billion of this token. The price $0.0060 up to 428%. The bullish is 86%. I see partner with Coinbase and Binance and Collab Currency on this platform. This is the website, as you can see here. You can read all about this roadmap project. This is the website, base team. This is the token holders, as you can see here. Total holders 2.24 million of holders. I see some active area on this community. This is good insight and good indicator here. So if I go to transfer, as you can see here, friends, I see a huge volume of transfer. If I check here, a lot of transfer here, last 8 seconds, 2 seconds, 24 seconds. This is all good insight. Anyway, friends, I give this project 7 on 10, and this is not financial